You really haven't left me any choice. It makes no sense for me to, we've given you chance after chance, and just saying that you want to do better is, your actions have to be better, and they haven't been. I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to, well, here we go again, I think. You're Dante Caddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Caddy, you were previously in court and entered pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. You're on probation for burglary of a habitation. It was a 7-year deferred probation. I have received the updated pre-sentence report, and has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, there was no agreement reached. Ms. Holmes, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've discussed this MTRP with Mr. Caddy. He has pled true to the violations involving the thefts that occurred at Target location in Port Arthur. Your Honor, Mr. Caddy has also had the opportunity in the past to successfully complete the ISF program. In 2023, he did complete, I believe, both tracks of ISF, which shows that he can make appropriate decisions and follow directions and complete tasks that are given to him. Within the last year, he obviously made bad decisions in which he committed these thefts at the Target location. Mr. Caddy is asking for another opportunity to be continued on probation. We do see that the recommendation from the department, it states that the revocation is recommended. However, if the court elects to continue Mr. Caddy on probation, that he remain off the premises of Target and that this be reviewed in 3 months to monitor any progress. Your Honor, we are asking that he be given that opportunity to show that he can make progress. Since being placed on probation, he has got married. His wife is here today, as well as he does have his mother at this time is very sick and ill, and he does help to take care of members in the household. Your Honor, Mr. Caddy would also like to address the court as to this situation, but we are asking that he be provided the opportunity. We see that he obviously has been afforded an opportunity in the past with ISF, but we believe that if he's given the opportunity again, that he can get steered back on the right track to make more better and more positive decisions going forward with his life. Would you like to address this?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Thank you. I know I made a lot of dumb mistakes, but I just ask that you please consider reinstatement. I have a lot of I have a lot of people that willing to help me with jobs and stuff like that. Like you said, I do have my mom has a lot of stuff going on this evening. Today, she's in surgery today. So I just got a lot on right now.
So, Mr. Caddy, back when you got your original pre-sentence report in 2020, I'm looking back at that, and when they talked to you that day, there's a quotation from you. I'm trying to change my attitude and my drive to do better in life. I want to learn control my anger and patience. I think I will do good. I understand the do's and don'ts. Okay, so that was back in 2020. Then shortly after that, you quit reporting. And you were gone for, I think it was like 2 years maybe. So we get you back after those 2 years in 2022, and you stood in front of me and I'm sure said, give me a chance, I want to do better. And I did. And I extended you, added some time on your probation, and sent you to ISF to help you do those things that you said you wanted to do, make better decisions and do that. Sent you to both tracks of ISF, which most people can't even do. They don't do that anymore. We have to pick one. So you got all the help you needed for drugs, for better decisions. Completed that April 14th, 2023. And then in June of 2024, you pick up the June and then July, 2 new theft cases after you've already been sent to ISF and given those opportunities after having been given the opportunity the first time to even get on probation, and then after you absconded for 2 years. Ms. Molfino, what's the state's position?
Revocation, Your Honor. I don't have much to add to what the court has already addressed.
You really haven't left me any choice. It makes no sense for me to, we've given you chance after chance, and just saying that you want to do better is, your actions have to be better, and they haven't been. I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of burglary of a habitation. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 6 years of the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification. This was marked off, though, that it was a plea bargain case, and so now I'm concerned again. Just hold on, don't, just wait a minute, because I want to see. Double check that there's nothing.
Yes, Deidre, I apologize.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So there was a cap of 4 years. So I'm going to withdraw what I said about the 6 years. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 4 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. Mr. Caddy, you can tell from what I've said and what my sentence was that I don't think that's enough. I have the ability to not accept this plea agreement. I'm going to accept it. I don't like it, but I'm going to accept it today. Your attorney did one heck of a job by getting you that deal. I am going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term. You should read that written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk to Ms. Holmes. I hope you take advantage of this shorter opportunity and get the help you need to get out and make better decisions. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Talk about a massive courtroom plot twist. The judge originally handed down a strict 6-year prison sentence, but a hidden plea deal cap forced her to lower it to just 4 years. She made it crystal clear that she absolutely hated the deal, but her hands were legally tied, even praising the defense lawyer for pulling off a miracle. Talk about dodging a major bullet. If you found this courtroom twist insane, smash that like button and subscribe for more daily legal drama.